My name is Stephanie Labonte, and this is part 4 of my 7th deliverable submission for the Visual Communications in the Media course. The fourth task that I have been given is to create 2 social media posts for the Unity for All organization, for both in America and in India. First, I will discuss the social media post for America. The first thing I want to note is the logo being used is the one I previously created for America. By utilizing this logo, we can begin to create brand recognition as we promote our organization more. I again utilize the same photo as previously used for the flyer because I want to create a sense of consistency with our publications, especially as we are just creating this organization and awareness is not optimal. We chose an image of young children who are close together with rather large smiles on their faces. You can tell by this image that the children are not concerned about their different skin tones that they have. By using this image, we also promote the idea that the ultimate change in the acceptance of diversity resides in the minds of our youth. By instilling these ideas into them, we can hope for a brighter, more inclusive future. I also used the slogan that I displayed in the flyer because I wanted to become a sort of motto for the organization. I also included a hashtag, which allows other users to find this post based on the hashtag, and users can post their own posts regarding the topic and connect with the organization's post by using the same hashtag. This helps grow the awareness of the organization as well as more viewers get to see these posts popping up. Switching gears to the social media post that I created for India, the first thing I did was alter that logo to be that of the one for India. I altered the text to be in the Hindu language, again to encourage full understanding of the post by the users in India. The message is the same as the American post, just in their native language, which also represents the organization's culture overall. The image chosen was that of the Middle Eastern children standing in the desert, which provides that cultural familiarity and allows viewers to grow a stronger connection with the post as well. Parents think of their own children, grandparents of their own grandchildren, sisters of their brothers, and so on and so forth. This connection creates an emotional appeal that encourages viewers to get involved. Again, I utilize the hashtag because hashtags are just as relevant in India as they are here in America. We are able to deliver the same message while adapting to the cultural differences in a minimally invasive way, which allows us to grow our brand quicker than ever before.